if you have clicked on this video, I know that automatically you want to start content creation on YouTube, and you are now looking for guidance on how to start creating content on YouTube. Then I think it is also perfect that you have clicked on this video. So in this video, I'm going to be giving you guys the steps that you need to follow when you want to start content creation on YouTube. All what you just need to do is that you just need to give me your time and listening ears. So you need to watch it and listen to all what I'm about to say or share in this video, so that when you follow the same steps, your content creation journey is going to be easier. So the first thing that you need to have when you want to start content creation on YouTube is that you need to have a YouTube channel, which is the primary thing before you can be able to start content creation on YouTube. You need to have a YouTube channel, and this is where you are going to be posting your videos. Has the same video that you are just watching. This is where you are going to be posting your videos. So you need to have a YouTube channel if you want to start a content creation journey on YouTube. So the second thing that you need to have is that you need to have a phone or camera, but preferably phone. If you are just starting out as a beginner and you don't have enough capital to buy camera, just start with your phone. Use your phone camera and film yourself. So you need to start with your phone. You can just use your phone to film yourself. As I'm filming like this, I'm using my phone to film myself. So you can use either front or back camera, and make sure that the settings, you set the quality to 180, which is actually nice. And also when you want to set the bitrate, so you also set it to 30 bitrate, which is also perfect when you want to use your phone. And when you're also using camera, it's also fine. But as a beginner, you can just use your phone and you're good to go. So the next thing that you need to have is you need to have a microphone. And if you are starting as a beginner and you don't have enough money to start out, just use your phone microphone, which is perfectly well. Use your phone inbuilt microphone, and people are going to hear you very well. So the only thing that you just need to do is that make sure you are filming your videos in a silent environment or area where there is less noise, so that your voice will be clear for people to hear you. So everything is just perfectly everything is just nice when you are using your phone microphone and you are just using it within a silent environment. So the next thing that you need to have when you want to start content creation on YouTube is you need to have some editing softwares. And these editing softwares, you are going to be using that editing softwares to be editing your videos, and you are going to also be using that, some of it, to also be designing your YouTube thumbnails. And you are going to be in need of something like iMovie for video editing, or CapCut or EasyCut or InShot. Those things you are going to be in need of it for video editing. And when you want to also design your thumbnail, you can also use Canva, which I use Canva to design almost all my thumbnails. I use Canva to design it, which you can also use Canva to design your thumbnails when you want to start your content creation journey on YouTube. And on Canva, when you are going to create design your YouTube channel, your YouTube thumbnail, they are having template that you can just edit it and put your the pictures and other things that you need on it, and download it and upload it onto your video, and that's simple as it. So the next thing that you need to do when you want to start your content creation journey on YouTube is you need to also have lighting. I wish I could show you guys my lighting. Let me just, I don't know if it is going to disturb the video, but this is what I use mostly. Actually, it's very difficult to show. I use this light to film. That's what I use to film, and I think it's perfect, and there is no problem with that. So if you can use if you are having that kind of light, it's also perfect. You can just use it. Or if you can use the natural light, it's also perfect. You can also use the natural light, and it's also perfect for that. So I think these are just the basic things that you need to have when you want to start your content creation journey on YouTube. And if you think I'm missing something, or you want to know more about something, feel free to comment in the comment section. And more to the point, make sure you like this video and subscribe to the channel to be getting tips and tricks on how to create content on YouTube and how to also monetize it on YouTube. So make sure you smash the subscribe button and also smash the like button. So I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.